Namaskar to everyone. Today we would be learning about relaxation. Why relaxation? Because we want to harness the power of sleep in our waking state. Simple as that. The most powerful practice, spiritual practice that we all do every single day is sleep. We all sleep 7 to 8 hours. We use this special technique unconsciously to replenish ourselves, to make us stress free, to make us use of splendid energy that is in us. We use sleep as a method unconsciously. So what we would be doing in this video is I would be teaching you a simple technique of relaxation, instant relaxation technique. With the practice of this, you would be able to harness the power of unconscious or passive sensory motor relaxation. We would be turning unconscious into conscious. We would be turning involuntary to voluntary. This is what will be the benefit of today's practice, known as instant relaxation technique, that I learned in SVASA and is also mentioned by YSS Ranchi. Now moving ahead, there are three kinds, or you could say three different realms of relaxation. The first would be physical relaxation. The second would be mental relaxation. The third would be metaphysical relaxation. The sages of India have always said that a human body, this vessel that we have, is Chitta Jaga Granthi. Means this is nothing but just knots of consciousness and matter. So the motive of today's video is basically to untie these knots that we have created with unnecessary stress, unable to relax, accrued fatigue. We would be untying these knots. Before starting the practice, there are a few things that we must keep in mind. Firstly, this is the practice that you need to do while lying down. So if you are having any disturbing elements near you, please remove them. Be silent and calm. And if you don't have an environment like this, please watch this video later. The second major important part is that you must not use any pillow or cushions in the practice. Lie on a flat surface. Any mattress or cloth must be used below, in between the surface and your body. Do not do this practice directly on the ground. There is one more thing, like if you're having an ailed body part, like cramps in stomach or anything, any injury in the body, while guiding through the practice, we would be engaging the awareness into different body parts. But when your ailed body part is mentioned, do not engage it. Like if you're having migraine, and if you mention your neck muscles, please don't engage them. That's the whole concept. Pregnant women should firstly watch the video. Don't start with the instructions. You will get a better idea how this all things work. A key point here that is very important, this instant relaxation technique must be practiced twice simultaneously for best results. That's it. Now before starting the practice, I want you to use earphones and be in a silent and non-disturbing environment, and keep a thought in mind that today I would be learning a beautiful relaxation practice. That's it. With this thought in mind, we will start the instructions. Now get onto your mattress or on the floor. Keep your legs together and lie on your back. Your palms next to your thighs, face upwards, palm facing upwards. Relax. Make sure your earphones are fit properly. Adjust the sound, and now close your eyes. Now I will be guiding you through my voice. Now bring both of your feet together and stretch the toes. Now apply pressure on the ankles. Tighten the ankles. Tighten the calf muscles. Tighten the kneecaps. Push up the kneecaps. Tighten the thighs. Compress the buttocks. Compress the abdomen, engage the whole abdomen, inhale and expand the chest. Make a fist of your hand and apply pressure, clench the fist. Apply pressure in the whole arms, tighten the shoulders, tighten the upper back, tighten the neck muscles, compress the facial muscles, tighten, release, and relax. Let your body sink in the floor. Tilting our bodies towards the right, we will slowly sit and slowly open our eyes. You must do this practice twice. And now the question comes, how to apply this practice in our daily life? You can do it anytime, anywhere. While you are standing, you can do the same practice. Just don't close your eyes. Even if you are sitting on the chair, you can do this practice. Firstly, bring your awareness to the toes. That is the first step. Then stretch the toes, engage the muscles, move upwards, bring your awareness upwards, engage the thighs, buttocks, abdomen. Inhale and hold the breath for 5 to 10 seconds. Tighten the muscles and then relax. You can do it in any position, but the key point is the spine should be straight. The most phenomenal aspect of this practice is, even if you're in traffic, if unwanted emotions are getting over your head, you're feeling uneasy, stressed, angry, fearful, just practice this IRT and you will be completely relaxed and free from all those things. Even in traffic jams, even in cinema halls, whenever you feel discomfort, low in energy, practice this and you will be full of vibrant energy. Practice this IRT and you will be full of vibrant energy anytime, at any hour. Now I want to move ahead and give you an exercise for relaxation and increasing your awareness. The exercise is, we will be using IRT to gain consciousness in sleep, or you could say we would be able to even choose that do we want dreams in our sleep state or do we not. When do I need to wake up? Everything we can decide prior to the sleep with a combination of IRT. So to do this, we need to daily practice IRT, the same practice twice before going to bed. What we need to do is practice the IRT twice and then relax, calm down and imagine sleep in your mind. Try to bring the drowsiness and you could say the absence of thought through the use of imagination, and slowly and steadily within a few weeks you will be able to control your sleep. And this is very phenomenal in the practice, as it will increase the quality of your sleep. You will be able to your rejuvenating powers in sleep will be increased. You will never have to struggle with sleep. You can bring sleep at your own will, at your own time. You will never have to suffer with the problem of having bodily changes, having after flight or travel we face issues of sleep. All those issues will be forever solved if you practice this in the starting. As a beginner, you must practice IRT before sleep and try bringing sleep consciously whenever you want. So this is your homework. It is a very helpful practice. Exercise this, practice this IRT in your daily life. Face with this superpower any work, any disaster that you face in your life, and you will win. That is for sure. The external resources of relaxation and for better sleep will be attached in the description. So make sure you read the description. Namaskar. The next lesson is more phenomenal. It is regarding how you can drastically change your life. I am giving you a hint how you can drastically change your life and easily elongate your life.